Jody, me I go buy two of them boat there. So them big yacht, them mama. We need some can't cook here. Those yachts, we will buy two. We're ready for more. Yeah. Like I say, you should do a live.
Kick.
West Palm Beach here, first time on a train. Yeah, shopping to Fort Lauderdale. Kevin made history, traveling on a train for the first time in life. Yup, never been on a train. Yep. So let's see what goes on next. In this little thing here, down the stretch, no delay, moving along. Yeah. Yeah, babes. And this is Johnson of Band of Country. I never know where that here would that go. Yeah. It's kinda fun though. Yeah, it's kinda fun. See? Never ever been on a train. This is my first time. Yep. First time. So I'm heading to Fort Lauderdale to go to the airport where I can catch my flight back to South Carolina. Yeah, that's where I'm going. I drove a truck down here to ship some stuff off. I'm leaving the truck, now on the train, catching a flight back home. See? What a tour. Okay, so yeah, I'm on my little tour. Okay. All those vehicles that stop and wait on me to cross. See? On that side. Yep. Okay, it's taking its own little time through here. I don't know why. Stops. I don't know why it stopped, but yeah. Well, I wouldn't know. I've never been on one, so I guess. Yeah. There's no cars on the truck. See? Okay. Here we go again. We're moving on. So, peeps, that's my little short trip because there's not much to show here. Alright. Just making you know that it's my first time on a train. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So, bye. Here I go. Going home. Yeah, on a flight. Going back to South Carolina. Yep. It's home sweet home time. Yeah. Just leaving Florida to go back home. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, so I'm getting out of Florida, guys. Going back to South Carolina. Alright? Yep. See you when I get there. Wifey. I'll be home soon. KJ. Daddy coming home, Papa. Alright? Daddy haven't eaten anything for morning, so Daddy's gonna eat something now. Yeah, a little piece of the cake. Drink me a Gatorade. Yeah, so. Alright, guys. I'm home. I'll be home soon, family. Bye. See you guys later. Up, and away. Taking off. Here we go. Yes, guys, I'm in the sky. Alright. Look at the road, look at the road. Look at the cloud. Right, you see that? The cloud is just like how we're going through it now. See? Cover it. Road is okay. Dropping a pothole. Well, I can't see anything. I can't see nothing. Mayday, I can't see anything. Mayday. Pilot taking a puncture tire. Yeah. Got a puncture tire. Mayday. We're landing safe. Mayday. We got another 25 minutes before we land. Yeah, guys, it's freaking it. Yeah, we're going home. I got another flight to catch. Tell you. We won't get home until 8 o'clock. Yeah. I said the pilot not all around that. Bus a wheelie a while ago.